Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix error code 10 in Marvel Rivals. Okay, first of all, you should know that this issue is related to your internet connection. So check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If the issue still persists, go on your computer and type on the search bar command prompt. Press enter. Now here, type this ipconfig space slash DNS flush DNS. Once again, you have to write ipconfig space slash flush DNS and just press enter. So that's it for the video. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and help us reach our milestone of 1000 subscribers. It really helps us a lot.